Good morning guys. Now I am feeding my dog, my adopted dog. You remember this dog before? And this another one. Up. Shh. Up. Do not fight. Oh, they're up. You remember this dog? I'm adopting this dog from the desert. And now, look at her now. She's big. There's another one also. She's big now. Go ahead. Up. She go ahead. She go ahead. Up. Up. Do not fight. So this dog, guys, I bring this dog here from the desert, which I was working there last December. Oh, no. Up. Don't eat the plastic. Up. Finish. Oh. Up. So shout out to Mr. Edwin of Priasa. Mr. Edwin of Priasa official. Ito na yon, boss, yung aso natin galing dyan sa Padili. Malaki na siya ngayon. And look at her eyes. It's okay. Before, her eyes is I think it has a problem, but now it's okay. The color of your eyes before was blue, but now it's normal now. So she's feeling well. She is good now. Oh, wait, come here. Come here, Wahid. Very good. Oh, there's another one. Up. Do not fight. This dog, guys, she's a female dog. I adopted her from the desert. And this one is a male. This is from the city. After December, January, almost 2 months, she's already big. So both of them are the security of this yard. There you go, guys. It seems that this dog are happy with their new place here, our yard. Wait. Say hi to my viewers. Oh, wait. Tomorrow again, ha? Okay guys, thank you very much.